How likely is jail time for a first-time DUI in California? If your DUI involves injury, it's more likely than not. If your DUI doesn't involve injury, it depends on which county you're in, whether or not they're going to request or require you to go to jail. Certain counties ask for jail time on a first-time DUI, even if you have no prior record. So we often can argue around that or get around that, but that is a possibility. If somebody's got a first-time DUI in certain counties in California, they can spend time in jail, more than the time they spent in jail the night they were arrested. Some of the counties will require 10 days in jail for a first-time DUI if your blood alcohol level is a certain level. Generally, your time in jail will decrease if you have a lawyer because your lawyer can argue around it. Oftentimes, people will go to court on a first-time DUI representing themselves, and they'll just say, I want to plead guilty, because they feel guilty for what they did, and they assume nothing's going to change. And then when they get sentenced to jail, then they'll want to call a lawyer and say, wait, I didn't know what was going to happen. And that's too late. So you really want a lawyer from the start who can really try to argue against you going to jail by demonstrating why you need to stay out of jail, or that you don't need to go to jail in order for you to understand how serious this is.